If guava is planted from seeds, how long does it take to bloom? Remove the guava seeds. Put it in a transparent box. Spray some water to soak. Do germination. Upper left. Time's ticking. At the right temperature. Seeds absorb enough water. After 10 long days of germination. Day 15, pick the most robust seed. Put it in a flower pot full of nutritious soil for cultivation. Day 20. A seedling emerges from the soil. He unsteadily unfolds a pair of cotyledons. The stalk doesn't grow up. A pair of needles will grow. Watch the growth of its leaves carefully. You will find it very interesting. The direction of each pair of leaves does not overlap up and down, so the whole plant gets more light. Perform photosynthesis. Although guava trees grow extremely fast, it grows into a sapling in just over 100 days. But I want to eat his fruit. It may take another 5 years. I'm sure you can't wait that long. We can bring scissors to the neighbor's guava tree. Cut some healthy straight branches. Take home cuttings for propagation. Cut the branches into a length of about 15 to 20 centimeters. Make sure to leave 1 or 2 bud spots on each cuttings. Then wrap the bottom of the branch with a tissue. Be careful not to do it the other way around. Put in basin. Pour water to make the tissue fully soaked. Paper towels have the effect of moisturizing to avoid dehydration and drying of branches. Soil selection for cuttings, more conducive to rooting. No stream sand. You can also use loose, breathable soil. Guava branches with paper towels. Insert into the fine yarn together. After watering, get a plastic bottle and cover it. Play the role of heat preservation and moisturization. And after 12 days, the shoots sprouted. During this period, water in a semi-shady place. See dry, see wet, pour. This is what day 28 looked like. Xiaoyaya has obviously grown up a lot. And after 60 days, the leaves are open. Even small buds have grown. So cuttings, this is a fairly simple way of doing things. In the spring, you can even take some random branches and stick them in the soil. The survival rate is also very high. Pour out the saplings of the cuttings and see. The tissue at the bottom of the branch hasn't rotted yet, but the root system grows directly through the tissue. Almost every branch was cut alive. Cutting saplings are better than seeded saplings. Significantly shortens the time required for results, but such seedlings are still too small. We can reproduce in a different way. Select a finger size. It is better to take the branches of the fruit. Cut with a knife from bottom to top. Be sure to pay attention here. Don't use too much force to cut off the branch. Find a water glass and put it on. Fix it with a rope and fill it with water. It's hydroponic, causing the cut branches to grow roots. After 25 days, the branches have developed many thick white root systems. You can cut it out. Transplant it into the soil for cultivation. Hydroponic root systems are generally fragile. Transplanted into the soil, it takes a while to get used to before it grows. If you breed directly with soil under high pressure, there will be no such problem. Or to the neighbor's guava tree. Choose a branch. Use a knife to get up and down about 5 centimeters away. Cut each ring, peel off the bark. Scrape the cut wood with a knife. Aloe vera in the cambium. You can cut the pulp. Apply mucus to the branch circumcision. Aloe vera is a natural rooting hormone. Can promote branches to grow roots faster. The remaining aloe vera is cut into the soil. Add water and knead it into a mud ball. Put it in a transparent bag and tie it up. Cut one in the middle of the bag with a knife. The opening wraps the branch. The position of the ring bag can be tied and fixed with a rope. Through transparent plastic bags after 30 days, we can see many white root systems have grown out. At this point, cut the branches from under the pressure pack. Turned into a new guava tree. It has roots and branches and leaves, retains the excellent characteristics of the original fruit tree variety. The trees are dwarfed. It grows really fast. If you plant it in the soil, it will bloom and bear fruit, even in a year or two. This is known as high-pressure breeding. It is suitable for most of the flowers and fruit trees you see every day.